The global financial crisis in 2008-2009 seriously affected many countries around the world, among which Vietnam was not an exception. Even in such circumstances, Hoa Sen Phú Mỹ steel sheet plant projects at Phú Mỹ 1 Industrial Zone, Bà Rịa Vũng Tàu Province was still implemented as planned and achieved success. That is the result of the right decision combining with high consensus and concerted effort contributed by the chairman, the board of directors, board of management, and the whole staff of Hoa Sen Group. Hoa Sen Phú Mỹ steel sheet plant was commenced on 13th May 2009 with an attempt to do it fast and achieve high-quality result on 14th March 2010. Only after 10 months of construction, we had created the first hot zinc galvanized products of the plant. 1 month after that, on 17th April 2010, we had put into operation the color coating line. Another major achievement is that our cold rolling mill has been put into operation on 25th February 2011. As scheduled, by October 2010, we completed the first phase of Hoa Sen Phú Mỹ steel sheet plant. Hoa Sen Phú Mỹ steel sheet plants were carried out with some top-rated features. The total areas of 85,000 square meters could be considered as the largest area of its kind, and the quality is also extremely good. Hot rolled steel plates are flattened and pickled with acid to clean the surface and then coated with oil for preservation. The next step is the cold rolling process to achieve the required thickness and width. After reaching the appropriate thickness, pickle and oil steel was wiped out again in the electrolytic tank and lifted up to non-oxidizing furnace, then passing through the zinc or zinc alloy galvanizing pan, and finally taken up to the cooling tower. Since the surface is absolutely cleaned and treated with heat in the oxygen-free environment, the steel material should be more homogeneous in terms of mechanical properties, and the galvanizing layer firmly sticks on the steel surface. As the result, finished products reaches high level of plasticity that is suitable for industrial applications such as manufacturing of lighting pole, road bar, purlin, automobile chassis, and high-class interior furniture. Galvanized line also includes similar process with hot galvanized line using non-oxidizing furnace technology. For cold rolled steel products, the annealing furnace performs heating process in many hours to achieve a high level of homogeneousness in steel's composition. Hot galvanized steel is being transferred to the slitting line, then being cut into slices to become semi-finished product for high-quality steel pipe and steel tube production lines of Hoa Sen Group, or supply the specific needs of the market. For a better look appearance, galvanized steel or aluminum zinc alloy is put through a color-coated process. Color-coated steel is used in the productions of corrugated steel sheets and also meeting a variety of demands of the market. Samples of all products from factories go through a rigorous testing process before going out to the market. Hoa Sen Phú Mỹ Steel Factory has strong investments in a laboratory with advanced equipment imported from global leading suppliers to ensure that the quality of products always meet international standards. With modern equipment and strict quality management process, products of Hoa Sen Phú Mỹ Steel Factory is always shiny with silver surfaces, high corrosion resistance ability, high heat resistance that create flexibility in design and use. Especially the life expectancy is 4 times longer than the conventional galvanized steel. with the responsibility to protect the ecological environment as well as to improve efficiency in production. Huasheng Fumi Steel Factory has access to recycling chain imported from Europe and wastewater treatment plants. The low-pressure gas system provider used as a clean fuel helped curb emissions, contribute greatly to the protections of ecological environment. Substations from National Grid power supply stabilize power for the production lines of factories. The Green Campus helped create an environmental-friendly landscaping for the factories. Holding the highest positions in the group, Mr. Lê Phước Vũ, chairman of Huasheng Group, affirms his strong statement. At this moment, we could say that Huasheng Group is the #1 steel sheet manufacturer and trader in Vietnam in terms of market share, brand, retail network, and growth capacity. In Southeast Asia region, we might say that we are the leading steel sheet manufacturer as well. Those achievements prove the significant efforts that we have put in so far. In the first phase, we have successfully finished a project that guarantees the following 4 factors. The first factor is good quality, outstanding equipment, and great technology. The second factor is the super fast implementations and operation. The third factor is very low investment cost. The fourth factor is the exploitation effectiveness of production lines. Right now, all production lines of Huasheng Fumi plant have reached their maximum capacity, but we still have shortage of supply for the markets. With the current unstable macroeconomy, the government has applied a tightened monetary policy that caused most businesses to cut down production. However, in 2012, Huasheng Group still achieved a 60% growth rate compared to last year, with the great growth contribution from Huasheng Fumi plant. In the second phase, we plan to invest 2 more galvanization production lines with a capacity of nearly 500,000 tons per year and 3 to 4 cold-rolled steel sheet production lines. As a result, Huasheng Group's total cold-rolled steel sheet output will achieve over 1 million tons per year, and the galvanization capacity will reach over 1 million tons. I think this is a relatively huge project for a Vietnamese group, as well as for the steel sheet industry in Southeast Asia. Huasheng Group has completed the first step in the strategy of leading the domestic market to assert the brand's position and laid out the foundation for the next phases, which is the integration to dynamic developments of international markets. With a nationwide distribution system and the reputation of a friendly and strong brand, Huasheng Fumi Steel Sheet Plant is the practical example that helps Huasheng Group affirm the high feasibility of achieving a revenue of $1 billion. The current success with a humanistic cultural value system has created a world-class Vietnamese brand.